guests on board, please remain seated with the doors closed. We are ready for departure. And driver, you are clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. For your enjoyment, Disneyland Park will be open until midnight, 12 o'clock. Disney California Adventure Park will be open until 10 p.m. Driver, you are clear.
We are now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you're here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets and annual passes are an especially good value. Before entering the parks, we'd like to remind you that smoking is not permitted except in designated areas. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please keep your ticket to re-enter. Just ahead is the downtown Disney District, with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we are approaching the downtown Disney District and also the main entrance plaza, please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram does come to a full and complete stop. I've indicated safe exit on the driver's left-hand side only. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram does come to a full and complete stop, and I've indicated safe exit on the driver's left-hand side. One moment, folks. Alright, lower your head, watch your step. Thank you, driver's left-hand side.